The New You Challenge is programmed to change your looks, to change your routine, and to change your lifestyle for the better. You might be thinking, but wait, this is CrossFit. CrossFit is like, grrr. But it's not. The New You Challenge is for every person, no matter the age, experience, or how often you work out. Our classes are led by expert coaches working hard to not only make you better, but also to make sure you are moving correctly. But we don't stop there. We give nutrition strategies to maximize your results. And what is that nutrition based on? We are using cutting-edge tools to find your lean body mass and give you a precise roadmap to the newer you. And back to the workouts. Most workouts are time-based. You come in, share some laughs, make some friends, get to work, and then get to where you need to be. It's that easy. Let's not kid ourselves. CrossFit can be intense, and it's not for everybody. But everybody can do it. So take the challenge, get a new and better you in just 6 weeks. Save your spot right now, and let's get to work.